guys.
It's okay. Get ready your bag and go to school.
Okay, I guess, but okay, I'm gonna do it. Okay, this is my bag right here, and I'm gonna get my pencil case. This is my pencil case. Very cute. Cute. So I'm gonna put it in my bag. So see you later, guys. If this doesn't fit, I'll see you later in part 2. And I'm gonna put my writing notebook. It doesn't say writing, but I'm gonna show you guys. This is my writing notebook. And I'm gonna put it in my bag.
We have discussed the matter with them thoroughly and explained.
Okay.
And also
So I'm gonna get my assignment notebook. Okay, I'm going to get my English notebook. I thought it was Filipino, so I'm gonna get my mathematics notebook. Okay, I'm gonna get my ESP notebook here, and my Filipino. You can call it, guys, Filipino because we are in Tagalog. And this is my mapping notebook. And AP notebook, you can say Aralin Panglipunan. And RP notebook.
Sa isang statement, sinabi ng COMELEC para makasunod sa utos ng Korte Suprema,
homeroom guidance notebook.
Ngayong gabi, ang printing ng official ballots. Kailangan magpatupad.
And last of all, actually not last of all, my coloring grade 6 paper for my summative test tomorrow. This is my grade 2 paper notebook. Actually, you can call it paper. This paper.
At kumpanyang Miro. Nitong January 3, sinapinal ng COMELEC ang desisyon matapos daw hindi
okay,
ng restraining
I'm
order
gonna
mula sa korte.
ready.
Nauna nang i-gimmick ni Elise na wala siyang nilabag na provisyon
Okay,
ng
this
omnibus
is my
code
bag for school. See you on part 2 because I'm gonna get ready for my baon and my modules. So I love you guys. So this is actually my curling headband. Okay, see you on part 2, guys. Bye.